Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? This is Cowboy B from Wet Jet Performance. We're going to do a little tutorial and show you how to install our dual USB. This 3.0. You can charge 2 devices at one time. Has its own shut-off and circuit switch, and it charges basically about 2.5 times faster than your normal seadoo USB or any other one. These are all waterproof, marinized, no problem. So let's get to the video and show you how this works. All right, when you look in the glove box, all the rubber's already out. And as you'll see, ours goes in here, and it's a little too big. It's a very small difference to make this fit. We give you the tool to trim out. It's like 1 millimeter to get it done, and then it fits like OEM, and we'll show you how the harness mounts up. If you need the tool and you don't have a step drill bit, we got a kit here. I'll show it to you. This is going to be your best bet. Stick it in there, as we'll show you, and you get it right in there, and they'll open the hole right up for you in literally a quarter of a second. If not, you use this bit. You hit it. I'm going to charge you $5 for this, and if you don't need it, because some people have these bits, then you're good to go. Add it in the cart if you do. Hit it right on the hole with the drill. Zip, hole comes right out. So we'll show you in this video. Excuse me, here's the USB, the 3.0, and here's the harness that we make for it. All professional, ready to go. And your taps at the end, and we'll show you which wires to tap. So let's get to putting it in and drilling it in there. All right, here we are. We got the step bit. It's a 1 1/8 is the notch that you want to hit, and it gets it done. So you want to put this in there and center it. And take your time. Remember, you can't put material back, but you can always go a little bit more. Okay. Okay, the shards are there, but got on the first try. Put this in there. Bingo, ready to go. And we'll show you the finished product once it's all tidied up and put in there, and you get something to vacuum those out. It's gonna look perfect. All right, now what you wanna do is take your seat off, so you can get to the back and get to the easy part where the wiring is. Okay, feed your wire through the hole, push it down in there. And now it's all the way through the back. Then you take your lock ring and spin it right back on there. It's right there, just like OEM. And here's your taps. So all of these black wires are all ground. What you want to do is grab this red and white one. So the red one with the white stripe is positive. Any of the blacks are ground, any of them, so remember that. So the taps will be provided, snap them on. Take these, match up red and black for power and ground, and then we're gonna close it out here. Lock ring in place. Okay, we got it all zip tied up for the excess. T-tapped the right wires. Taped it back up because we had to open it up to do it. So that's about as plug and play as you can get to get 3.0 power, where you can charge 2 devices like a GoPro, a smartphone, headphones, whatever you need out there. You can charge 2 things instead of 1. Normally it's 2 people riding. You can charge 2 phones. So you put it in there, you're good to go. And you bundle this all back up, put the seat back on, you don't see it anymore. And we go in here to the inside. You see, we're lighted up, ready to go. Now it's off. And if you leave this on too long, when it doesn't sense it's charging anything, it'll turn itself off after 20 minutes. So, and this doesn't draw any power except to light up the LED. We tested this numerous times over the year. And if you were to leave this on for a month, it would barely even drain the battery. You would still be able to come out here and start it up. But like I said, we put a timer in there so it senses, and it will cut it off. So when you get in here, you trigger it, cut it on. That's how you know it's on. Start charging your GoPro and your phone, and you're ready to move. Okay guys, just want to show you it's charging here. You heard it charge up. It's good to go, it's coming out of there. So you'll be able to charge your GoPro same time. You can't do that with the OEM charger. So you can charge your phone, you can charge your girl's phone too. And another good thing I want to let you guys know, if you buy the RTG system, it has a jumper wire on it, so this is plug and play. You don't have to tap the wires, you don't have to do anything. All you do is the jumper wire is hidden back here. So this is the prototype model. This is why we spliced into here to show you guys how it goes. But the plug itself, when we're not using it, is all the way in here. We move it back, plug it up, plug and play, and you don't have to tap anything because it uses the power that's powered up from the RTG down here into the battery. So that's something that you're going to get on the standard or the elite, so you won't have to tap anything. So even if you have this for a system that didn't come with seadoo sound, you'll still be able to drill your own hole and make your own USB and power it off the stereo system. So that's a great feature that we just want to show you guys how the plug will look for the RTG system if you have the USB. Here's the plug, and this attaches to the end of the USB, and you just plug it in. It's plug and play. You don't have to do any T-taps. The T-taps are for people who have the seadoo sound or just the new seadoo. They don't have the RTG system. Everything goes in here, so you literally can install it in 15 minutes, just like OEM, and you just don't have to jump it off the speaker plug. So we do all this for you. We have the T-taps on there for you. Everything's ready to go. So this has been Cowboy B with the USB 3.0 DIY. You guys have a great one.